Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Infinity English. My name is William, and today we're going to practice English by learning how to start a conversation. This is a beginner-friendly shadowing session, so you can repeat with me slowly anytime you want. You can do this while relaxing, walking, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you like talking to new people? Do you like talking to new people? Today we will practice starting conversations in English. Today we will practice starting conversations in English. It's a useful skill for daily life. It's a useful skill for daily life. Talking to people helps you speak naturally in English. Talking to people helps you speak naturally in English. When I meet someone, I greet them. When I meet someone, I greet them. I say hello. Hello. I say hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? These greetings start a friendly conversation. These greetings start a friendly conversation. I can introduce myself. I can introduce myself. I say my name is William. I say my name is William. I can ask, what is your name? I can ask, what is your name? Introducing yourself is polite. Introducing yourself is polite. Sometimes I ask questions. Sometimes I ask questions. I ask, how are you today? I ask, how are you today? I ask, where are you from? I ask, where are you from? I ask, what do you like to do? I ask, what do you like to do? Asking questions keeps the conversation going. Asking questions keeps the conversation going. I also share information about myself. I also share information about myself. I say, I like reading books. I say, I like reading books. I say, I enjoy music. I say, I enjoy music. I say, I am learning English. I say, I am learning English. Sharing helps the other person know me. Sharing helps the other person know me. Let's practice useful phrases. Let's practice useful phrases. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is. Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? Do you like English? Do you like English? Sometimes I talk about hobbies. Sometimes I talk about hobbies. I like playing sports. I like playing sports. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. I like cooking. I like cooking. Talking about hobbies helps start a conversation. Talking about hobbies helps start a conversation. Sometimes I talk about daily life. Sometimes I talk about daily life. I say, I work at a school. I say, I work at a school. I say, I study in the morning. I say, I study in the morning. I say, I enjoy my free time. I say, I enjoy my free time. Talking about daily life is easy and natural. Talking about daily life is easy and natural. Let's practice questions for conversation. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? Do you have pets? Do you have pets? Let's practice answers. Yes, I like sports. Yes, I like sports. I enjoy pop music. I enjoy pop music. Yes, I watch movies sometimes. Yes, I watch movies sometimes. In my free time, I read books. In my free time, I read books. Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. Sometimes I ask follow-up questions. Sometimes I ask follow-up questions. I say, really, that's interesting. I say, really, that's interesting. I say, how often do you do that? I say, how often do you do that? I say, I like that too. I say, I like that too. Follow-up questions keep the conversation friendly. Follow-up questions keep the conversation friendly. Sometimes I invite someone to talk more. Sometimes I invite someone to talk more. I say, tell me more about it. I say, tell me more about it. I say, can you explain that? I say, can you explain that? I say, I want to know more. I say, I want to know more. Inviting someone to share helps you practice speaking. Inviting someone to share helps you practice speaking. Small steps help me start a conversation in English. Small steps help me start a conversation in English. I try to practice phrases every day. I try to practice phrases every day. I feel confident greeting and talking to new people. I feel confident greeting and talking to new people. Starting a conversation is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Starting a conversation is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Starting a conversation is fun and very useful for daily communication. Shadowing helps you speak fluently, clearly, and confidently. Come back tomorrow. Practice again, grow again. I'm William, and this is Infinity English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.